Stacy and I knew St. Augustine would be our last adventure on Blown Away before her knee replacement surgery. These days, they send you home a few hours after the surgery. Getting her home, up 2 steps, and into her recliner was more nerve-wracking than any challenge we ever faced on Blown Away. 3 months went by before I was able to get back on the boat. A novice sailing couple from the Amelia Island Sailing Club, Eileen and Dan, helped me sail the Coastal Cup, an ocean race from Amelia Island, Florida, to St. Simon Island in Georgia. My mind was in a fog on race day morning. I had lost my sailing muscle memory. As we started preparing to raise the sails, we got the mainsail halyard tangled up in the topping lift. We ended up getting to the starting line 23 minutes after the race had started. April 26th, right? And the Amelia Island Sailing Club Coastal Cup. Here we are, wing on wing. We sailed well after that, though, and passed a lot of boats. Okay, we just jibed again, and now we are on a sprint to our turn in the channel. We didn't go very far offshore. All these other boats went pretty far off. I don't know if we'll get to the turn before they do or not. They're going directly downwind. We're on a broad reach. There's Dan.
On the broad reach.
There's Eileen. There's Dan the Jiber.
I'm just watching the
All the boats lined up towards the finish. Crossing the finish line. Hey, O'Brien's! A well-sailed race. The two kerfuffles and otherwise well-sailed. We ended up coming in third. Docking at the marina in St. Simon was challenging because of the current. So looking at those bubbles go by, how fast do you think we're going? If you said we're tied up at the marina and this is the current, you would have been right. And it did. It flipped me around trying to dock, but we did okay. There was no wind the next day, so we came home down the Intracoastal Waterway.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What's going on today?
I guess we're traveling down the ICW from St. Simon's to Fernandina Beach.
How was yesterday?
Yesterday was spectacular. A few bonehead moves on my part in the morning, but then we had a flawless racing sail.
Any awards?
Third place. Can you believe it? We crossed the start line 23 minutes behind everybody else, and we still got third place.
Awesome. Congratulations.
It was the crew. It was the crew.